In this video, I'll show you how to set up payroll for your business in Canada. We'll be using Gusto throughout this tutorial because it makes payroll setup simple and automates many of the tasks involved in paying employees. If you'd like to follow along, you can create a free Gusto account using the link in the description below. To get started, create your Gusto account and complete the onboarding process. Gusto will ask for basic information about your business, including your company details, payroll schedule, tax information, and the number of employees you have. Based on your answers, it customizes the setup for your business. Once onboarding is complete, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here, click on the Pay section. If you're setting up payroll for the first time, you'll see the payroll setup timeline, which walks you through each required step. Click Continue under Add Payroll Details. Here you'll enter your company information, business addresses, bank account details for payroll funding, payroll schedule, and other information needed before you can process payroll. Next, complete the remaining setup tasks and finishing any additional payroll setup steps shown in the timeline. Once everything has been completed and your account has been reviewed, you'll be ready to process payroll. Now open the People section from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll add your employees. Click Add Employee if you haven't already. Then enter each employee's information and send them an onboarding invitation. During onboarding, employees can securely enter their own banking information for direct deposit, along with any other required details. After your employees have completed onboarding, return to the Pay section to run payroll. Review employee salaries or hours worked, bonuses, reimbursements, deductions, and any other payroll information. Gusto automatically calculates payroll amounts, helping reduce manual work and minimize errors. Before submitting payroll, review all of the information one final time to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're ready, submit payroll and Gusto will process employee payments according to your selected payroll schedule. You can also use the Reports section to review payroll reports and employee records, while Time and Attendance lets you track employee hours and paid time off, which sync directly with payroll. If you offer employee benefits, the Benefits section helps you manage them alongside payroll from the same dashboard. One of the biggest advantages of using Gusto is that it combines payroll, employee onboarding, HR tools, reporting, and payroll management into a single platform, with an interface that's easy to navigate, even if you're setting up payroll for the first time. And that's how to set up payroll for your business using Gusto. If you're looking for a simple payroll solution that helps automate payroll and manage your employees from one place, you'll find a link in the description below where you can create your free Gusto account and get started.